In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to default settings if your Outlook inbox looks different than expected, or if messages are being organized in a way you do not want. One quick way to bring things back to a simpler default style view is to adjust a key mail setting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to change, so your message list appears more standard and easier to manage. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where you can see your inbox, folders, and recent messages. If Outlook opens somewhere else, such as the calendar or another section, just switch over to Mail before continuing. Starting here is important because the setting we need is located inside the Mail options. Once you are in Mail, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens Outlook's customization panel. From here, you can control how your inbox looks and behaves, including layout, reading options, and message organization. If you do not immediately see all available settings, do not worry. Outlook sometimes shows a compact panel first, and then expands into more detailed options as you continue. After opening settings, look for the Mail category. Under Mail, click Message List. This section controls how emails are displayed in your inbox and other folders. It includes options that affect sorting, grouping, and the overall structure of your message view. If your inbox feels split or arranged in a way that seems unfamiliar, this is usually the right place to fix it. In the Message List, Settings, find the option labeled Sort Messages into Focused and Other. If this box is checked, uncheck it. This turns off Outlook's focused inbox style, which separates emails into two tabs. Disabling it helps return your inbox to a more traditional single list format, making it easier to view all of your messages in one place without switching back and forth. After you uncheck that option, Outlook should apply the change automatically in most cases. Give the page a moment to refresh if needed, and then check your inbox to confirm that all messages now appear together. If the change does not show up right away, try navigating away and back to your inbox. And that's it. By going to Mail, opening Settings, selecting Message List, and turning off Focused and Other sorting, you can quickly reset this part of Outlook back to a cleaner default experience.